Hello friends, in the previous session we have created a HotAirBallons template which is nearly equal to this particular original template which is downloaded from the free CSS template website, free CSS templates.org website, from where you can download so many other templates. There is still little bit difference between this original template and this template which is created by us, because here is the category and here is the list of some categories, and if you see at the bottom of this one category there is a dotted line, or we can say there is a dashed line. So first of all we will also create this dashed line. For this I just open this this my template in the browser, in the Dreamweaver, and now what I have to do, I just go to the split mode and just minimize this and at this place, and I just write here HR horizontal ruler. But if you see this thing in the browser, you get a solid, no, it is dashed line. Sorry, because due to this, because I have added a HR tag or HR style sheet in this, and I put HR. Just see, suppose I remove this and save it, and now see in this browser what happens. You will get a solid continuous line, but we required a dashed line. So to make this line dashed, what I have to do, I just go to the style sheet and create a CSS file. So I just created a CSS file. It's named CSS class HR, which is take base class, and I have put it some attributes: border, bottom color, which is somewhat gray color, and border bottom style dashed, border bottom width 1 pixel, and save it. Now it is automatically applied to this HR tag. So if you see, here is dashed line, but still there is a solid line. So to remove this solid line, I just go to the coding and give size equal to 0 to the HR. So the size become 0 in the HR. Refresh, and now you will get a dashed line. So similarly you can create other categories like this, and you can also apply blog roles and all these things. So now I just left this panel as it is, and I just come to this particular area. So we can able to create this area. Now to create this area, see in the web page, this area is for us. So first of all, what I have to do, I just insert a table, but according to this, which is having one row here and another row here, another row is this, and another row is this particular area, for this particular area. So we need 1, 2, 3 and 4 row. So just go and insert a table, and which is having 4 row, 1 column, 100% width, 0 pixel, border thickness, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, header style none, and OK. Now this is my heading portion. So if you see, here is the welcome to HotAirBallons. This heading is there, so I just take it from here and just paste it here, and now it is normal. But if I apply H2 heading to this, then it is automatically like this, because this is already H2 and we have already created a CSS file, CSS class for this. So this is HotAirBallons. And if you see, and suppose I also put some more content just below this H2 tag. So just go to this original template and put this powered by this and this. Just to go to and copy it here after this H, so you will get this type of text. So it's not look like similar to this, yeah, because this is a small text here. So what we can do, we can create a CSS file for this CSS class for this. And now one more thing is there. If you refresh it, look at this original template, which is this original template is having some gap between these two panel, but it is not in our template. So what we can do for this, I'm just going to create a CSS style, suppose CSS class main, and apply padding left 20 pixels, and just apply this CSS to this area, class main. It is already there. Now if you see this thing in the browser, you will have a distance from this. Okay, now one more thing you can do, I just go to this main area and put some font color, or just color to the dark gray, and font size to the 10 pixels, and save it. Okay, what happened? Save it. Let's see, set one more thing, font family, and see if still there is no effect, then we will do another thing. Let's see what we can do next. Okay. Just apply this class, another class, creating another class, main text txt, and now create this class here, dot main txt, and use this color, font size, and all these things from here to save it. It is working. This you can see it is there, but it is size is very small, so just increase this size from 1 pixels and see. Okay, still this is very small, so just go to and give 12 size. Now it's somewhat look better. Let's forget this thing as it is. Now this text area is also there, so just copy this area and paste it into the next line, or you can also put these things. Okay, don't just by putting some BR tag, so your line is break from here, and after this BR you can put any content. So this content is okay, but there is still many different from this. So how to increase, how to make a better look? Just go to style sheet and write text align, justify, so I have made some changes directly, and I do not record this due to the because you can easily do this thing, that I have applied a marquee tag and rotate some news over there, and just write some training program like ASP.NET training, and some content of these training programs, and like MS SQL Server training program, and changes the heading and added some punchline, and I have also changed some hyperlinks, just help and sign up I have added, and I remove blog and some another hyperlink are there. It's there. So, and I have put it some history of MaxTech training, MaxTech company, and suppose I have added some more information about the MaxTech training programs here, and I have done some designing over there and completed this template. So now we have to create some web pages using this template. So what I'm going to do, just go to the website and just copy this template and paste, and give name home.html. now this is my home page is ready. Now similarly I just again copy and paste this template and give name login.html. now look this, I just open this login.html. now it is similar to this home page, but we do not require home page, we require there a login page. So I just remove this and type login, and I just remove this portion table row from here. Okay, just not insert, just delete row. Okay, it is deleted. Suppose okay, we do not delete the row, we only just delete the content of this page. Delete. Okay, and then remove some coding. Now it's fine. Now what we have to do, first of all remove also this. We will make it some more convenient for us. Okay, just go to this main area. After this, what happened? Okay, just go to this main area and insert a table which is having 2 row, 1 column, and 100% width. Okay. Now here is the table. Just put this login or heading portion in this area. Okay, just put here. this is your login. And again insert a table which is having 5 row 2 column 100% width, and apply some padding and spacing also, and okay. Now select these all rows and go to the properties and set align right and right login ID. Next password. Next just remember my password. And now I just go to an insert form text field, cancel. Yeah, form field, one form field for login, so give name it txt login. Just similarly just copy this and paste here. Okay, this is not text type, so apply password and give name txt password. Now here is apply a checkbox, so I just write the code, input type checkbox and give name chk remember my password and close it. So here is a checkbox, and now here you can apply input type button value login name btn login and close it. So here a button is over there. Now if you see in your browser, just refresh it and go to the login link. Yeah, you will get a login form. Now it is created login.spx and there is the login form. Okay, we can also create css classes for this text box and button. So let's create a class dot txt box, give any name and apply border. Okay, border color black, border width suppose 2 pixel, making border color black, just change it some light color, and border style. Border style solid, and color means the text color inside the button. Let it be more gray type, and font size it's 12 pixels. Font, let's apply this to this login page. You can apply class from here. There is the text. Where is text box? This is the text box. You can apply also there, or we can apply this also. If you see, now you are having some better look text box and buttons. Similarly, you can also create some more forms. Suppose this login is not looking good here, so we can change the position of this login. So just align center, so it will be in the center. Okay, now this is our login page. Okay, some more we can do with the login form. forgot password. Here is a link, hyperlink for the forgot password.html. One more row. We can do one more thing. Just put this forgot password here and give new user. New user need to sign up first of all, so we are giving sign up link and see. Okay, we can also create some CSS class for this hyperlink. So I just go to the style sheet and create a dot link and just give color. Okay, what we can do with the color? Let's have some and text decoration should be none, and font size 12 and font style, font family. Okay. Now apply this link to this HTML. No, not the login. There is a name link. Here is the link and here is the link. Okay, one more thing we can do. We can also give some hover effect and suppose text decoration, underline and change some color like black. Now that's fine. This is our hyperlinks. Now come to the next form. We have created a login form. Now we will create a sign up form. So for creating a sign up form, just go to the website and again at this time I just copy and paste login form and just give sign up.html. I just open this into the Dreamweaver. Let's have some changes over there. First of all, I give login to sign up. Okay, now first of all, and the next thing, insert row and write here login information. Okay, and just bold it. Now one more thing, insert row and column, row below, and put similar text box here and just give retype password. Okay, now this is your retype password, and remove this remember me because it's not required in registration, and at present just remove this also, and also remove this hyperlink. Okay. This is my login information is there, and now give personal information, and suppose I just also put this bold or you can also put them into left. To the left. That's good. And insert row column. Some row we will insert, suppose 5 row below. Okay. Now name, address, city, phone number, mail ID. This is personal information, and you can also give some other information. Just to give left. Okay. In the other information, I just let's forget. I will do this thing. Now just I copy this login text box and paste. Yeah, address required a bigger text box, so I use text area and close this text area. Columns 30 and rows 5. And just give v-align top, so that is address come at the top. City, city, or we can say country. For the country, we can use drop down list. So drop down is select, so we use select, option, India, second option, third option, fourth option. Suppose USA, UK, and Park. Now for the phone number, just copy this name and similar text box, similar here. And for the others, we can apply a text area. So any other information related to any other things should come in this others. So we can just merge these two text box. Okay, go to the property and merge it, and it should come into the center. And you can also increase size. And here we insert one more row. Suppose I put some input type. I just write input type check box and give name CHK terms and conditions. Okay, now here is the checkbox for terms and conditions that anybody wants to register in my website, so he or she should agree with some terms and conditions. I write some terms and condition. Okay, you can make these terms and condition hyperlink, and you can also create a web page tnc.html which is having some terms and condition. We will write these terms and condition and just apply css link css. So here is the terms and condition. After this terms and condition, I just put an input type submit name btn submit and save it. Okay, just give one more thing, value submit. You can apply class txt box. We can also create a separate class for the submit button of this. Now go to the sign up. Yeah, you will get a sign up page. Yeah. Okay, one more thing, apply css to this text area also. So just go and apply class text box to this text area and also apply for this text area. Text area. Where is text box? Now, if you see, there is a registration form is ready. Okay, this is sign up form and other information. Just remove column. Keep consistency because it is not having any column. Now this is your registration sign up form. Similarly, we can also create some more forms. Suppose in the next step, I just go to the folder, my folder, and write either here, just paste, yeah. Okay, now just copy this login form again and paste and give it name contact .html. First of all, I will check what is the exact page name. Here is the contact.html. Okay, fine, it is connected, but I have just copied and pasted the login form, so similar pages come here, so we have to change this page now. Just open this contact page into the Dreamweaver. Now we will design this contact page also. First of all, we have to change the heading contact. Now for this contact page we need to do some changes. So first of all, remove this table from here, and I will just going to put a new table which is having single row, not single row, which is having 2 row and 2 columns. Yes, just apply, just write here max tag, right here max tag, put br and write address 501 B Rajani Bhavan then BR tag, opposite HIGH I port, and BR Indore 452001, and give 2 more BR and give phone, or just write contact number 9826373063, and you can also give mail ID like maxtag.training.softwares.gmail.com, or if you have more than one contact mail ID, so you can also use them. Likewise, admin@maxtag.training.com, and many more. You can also use this. Okay, you can also make this mail ID as a hyperlink, mail to hyperlink. So just write mail to colon and copy this, paste it, and okay, just a minute. Yeah, and similarly, and you can also use CSS. Yeah, this is CSS, and similarly we can do with the admin@maxtag. Just copy this and paste and write mail to colon footer, and also apply the CSS. Now one more thing, I just go to this TDN and give align center. Look this thing into the browser. Now this is my address and this is mail ID, and this whole thing is this. Okay. For some better look, I'm just going to put a image over there. So suppose I go to the desktop, and here is the space, and suppose, okay, now to complete this page, what we can do, I will just put an image here, so I can insert. First of all, I just go to the my website template, and let's see, here is not any image, so I just search an image. Perhaps I'm having some image like my template images. No, there is no. Just go to the here is, we are having a contact us image. So I just go to my website template and just copy this image into this folder, and I just use, okay, or we can directly add this image to this place. So just go to insert image and select desktop, and go to my website template images and select, and okay, cancel. Yeah. Here we are having an image. Okay, just see this into the browser. It's too much big, so we can reduce the size of this image as for our page width. Now see, now it's look more better than previous one. So one more thing I can do, I just put a HR tag here. So HR with size 0. So we will have a dotted line here. Okay. Similarly, we can also put a HR, just right click and insert above, and just select both cell and merge it and put a HR tag also here with size 0. Yes. So here is now. Just merge this particular cell also and insert a new table here. Okay, or just we can just write some, just insert a table which is having 6 row 2 column 100% width, and suppose cell padding and cell spacing is also there. Just merge this to cell and write here. You can also post your query here. We will contact you by phone or by mail ID. And just select them and align them into the right side and give name, colon, phone number, colon, mail ID, colon, and query, colon, and just put some input type, text, name, txt name, and here is the text box, and you can also apply the class. Okay, so class text box, and just copy this and paste, and here we have to put a text area, and text area with calls. Suppose column, we have to give 40 columns and rows 6 rows, and also apply the class text box. And one more, input type, submit, name, btn submit, and value submit, close it, and also apply class text box. So if you see, here is a contact page is ready. So if somebody wants to contact with us, and they can contact with this address, or they can contact over us by phone by mail ID, and if any user has instant query, then he can ask a query by submitting some basic information to this, and by submitting this. So, one or two more things, just put realign at the top, so this query text should come at the beginning of this text box like this. Now this is my contact us page. So here my home page is ready, and my contact page is ready, my login page is ready, my sign up page is ready, and now approximately I need to only apply about page and help page, and now my 6-page website is completed. So similarly we can also use we can also create so many web pages similarly, like this. Suppose I have created a forgot password link, so we need to create a forgot password page also. So instantly I just create a forgot password page also. So just go to close them all, and just go to the my website template, and just copy and paste this login page and forgot password.html, and open it into the browser and change some. Suppose right here forgot password. Yeah. Now just delete this row, and also delete this row, and just change the name, submit, and txt login. Instead of txt login, we need to give name, submit. Okay. One more thing, just right click and insert a row above, and just merge this row and write align left, and just write submit your mail, submit your login ID. We will mail you your we will send you your account information by mail. And just remove this link, and you can leave new user. So if anybody is not able to get his mail ID or something else, then he will be used to new register as a new user. So leave this, or you can remove also this one, this. So now refresh, and now forgot password. So here we are having a small forgot password page. So submit your mail ID whenever any user, suppose my mail ID is Harish, my login ID is Harish, and suppose I submit this, then this login ID is concerned with a mail ID, because at the time of sign up, when we register, I recommend to insert mail ID. So here is my login ID, and here is the mail ID. All things are stored in database. So whenever I forgot my password, I just enter my login ID, and in the code behind file in .NET or any other languages, we will write a logic so that my password and my mail ID will be extract from the database, and my password will be sent to my mail ID. So I will get my password at my mail ID, which is I have put it at the time of registration. So it is my forward password. And similarly, we can also create so many pages in my own website design. So website should be look simple and sober, no more heavy controls, and no different types of color combination should not be there. It will increase the page size, as well as it gives it not look better professional look. So